In this video, I will explain some of the string functions in Google Sheets. Let's get started with the first one, left. This function is used to get characters from the left side of the string. So in this case, we have got Donald Trump. This is the string. And if you want to extract 6 letters from the left side, you can use the syntax left, and then the string, and then how many letters or characters you need. So you can see that it has returned 6 characters from the beginning or the left side of the string. Then right is similar to the left. In case of right, what happens is that letters are extracted from the right side. So here we are extracting the 5 letters from the right side, which is Trump. If you want to get the length of the string, you can use this syntax length and then whatever is the string. So there are 12 characters in that string. Next one is upper and lower. So upper is used to convert the letters into uppercase. Lower is used to convert the letters into lowercase. Proper function is used to capitalize the first letter of the string. For example, here if I put small d, you will notice that it is converting that particular letter into uppercase. So the first letter of the string is converted into uppercase. Then trim function is used to remove the spaces, blank spaces around the string like that. Then join function is used to join multiple strings together by a character. So first parameter is the character by which you want to join, followed by the strings that you want to join. And you can see here it has joined this Donald and Trump by the star. Finally, we have got the split function, which is used to split the string by special character. So here you can see that there is this string Donald star Trump. So we want to split it by star. So what happens is that it will create Donald and then it will create Trump and then put it into different cells. That's it. Thanks for watching.